Duck the Great Western Engine. Now Duck's a nice model. Considering he was Hornby's first model, he looks good. Only his face is a bit dark. His face needs to be a bit lighter, but that's not a big deal. He's got a dual whistle there. And not really any in-cab detail, only the motor. But there's nothing wrong with that. He's got the nice brake blocks, lots of detail. Nice funnel and everything, so he's literally a flawless model, except for his face needs to be lighter. Here's a back view and a top view. Yes. So let's have a look at him running. I've got a train of 5 trucks and a brake pad. So let's see him pull it. So yeah, he's a nice model. All over I give him probably a 10 out of 10 for running, because all Hornbys are great runners. And for looks, a 9 out of 10. But a good model, and I'd recommend him to anyone who wants to recreate the railway series. 5 Fox 14, signing off.